Hi guys, it's Avas from Trendy Startups. Today I'm gonna show you some best useful Google search tricks and tips. So guys, here I'm going to show you the very easy process for this useful Google search tricks and tips. So let's get started. So guys, for these tricks you have to simply open your Google Chrome. So guys, first trick is if you want to use Windows 93 in Windows 11. So yes guys, you can easily use Windows 93 in Windows 11. Just you have to simply type in search bar Windows 93 and simply press enter. Now simply click on this first link Windows 93. So guys, after that this program will run and here you can see your Windows 93 is getting ready. So guys, this is our Windows 93. You can see you can easily use any software in this Windows 93. So here you can see this option, the start button. So click on it and here you can see all of the options. This reboot, shutdown, reinstall or many more options. So guys, this is the first search trick. So guys, next trick is if you want the Google underwater, simply type in search bar Google underwater and simply press enter. Now simply click on first link Google underwater search and here you can see. So guys, here you can see now our Google is underwater. So guys, in next trick, if you want to check any specific city or country's weather, so you can simply check. Just you have to type in search bar that city or country name. Like I want to check the weather in Lahore and simply press enter. So guys, here you can see now in Lahore the temperature is 8 degree. So guys, here you can see I've shown you some best useful Google search tricks and tips. So you can also use this best useful Google search tricks and tips by following this process that I've shown you step by step. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.